Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to copy Ted's post link. Maybe you want to share a specific post with your friends or followers outside of the application. So today I'm going to show you how to copy Threads post link. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Threads application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to your home feed. Now, navigate to the post that you want to copy the link. You can do this by scrolling to your home feed or by visiting the profile of the user who made the post. Once you have found the post, simply tap on this paper plane icon located below the post. A menu will appear with various options. In this menu, you can now find this copy link option. Simply tap on it. After that, you now have successfully copied a post link. Threads will generate the post link and will copy it to your device clipboard. The post link is now ready to be shared, and you can now paste it into a message, email, or any other platform to share the post with others. There you go. If you wanted to know how to copy Threads post link, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to copy Threads post link, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.